In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ATM or debit card charges in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a debit card swipe or an ATM-related charge so it reduces your bank balance correctly and shows up in your reports where it belongs. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and clicking the plus new button in the upper left corner. This is your starting point for creating any new transaction. From the menu that appears, look under the Vendor section and choose Expense. That tells QuickBooks you're recording money going out of your business bank account. In the expense form, set the payment account to the checking account that's linked to your debit card. Picking the correct account is important because it helps the transaction match cleanly with your bank feed later and keeps your balances accurate. Next, select a payee. You can choose an existing vendor from the list or type a new name, such as the store or the ATM name on your statement. Adding a clear payee helps you run better reports and track spending with specific vendors over time. Enter the payment date. Use the date on your receipt or the date shown on your bank statement. Accurate dating is key for reconciliation and for month-end reporting, especially if you're tracking cash flow closely. Now choose the expense account, sometimes called the category. Pick the category that best describes what you paid for, such as office supplies, meals, travel, or bank service charges if you're recording an ATM fee. If you're unsure which category fits, use your usual chart of accounts conventions or check with your accountant so the expense lands in the right place on your profit and loss. Enter the amount of the transaction exactly as it appears on your statement or receipt. Consistency here reduces the chance of duplicates or mismatches in the bank feed. If you need to clarify anything for future you or your bookkeeper, use the memo field to add notes like a reference number, a brief purpose, or a reminder about who used the card. When everything looks correct, choose Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you have more expenses to enter. Saving confirms the expense, reduces your bank balance in QuickBooks, and places the transaction where it can be matched to the bank feed later. That's it. You've recorded an ATM or debit card charge in QuickBooks Online. A quick tip. When the transaction downloads from your bank, match it to the expense you just created instead of adding a duplicate. This keeps your records clean and your accounts easy to reconcile.